Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, welcome. So before I start this video, I just want to show Lucas this. So this boy, I found him in the chat room. Me, Lucas, and Amber were in this chat room, and then there's a boy named Luke, and that basically he was like, "Hey baby," and I was like, "Ew, I have a boyfriend. Go away! Like I am not a cheater. Like I am not gonna cheat on my boyfriend." So yeah, just to show you that, like, yeah. So I have proof that he's accept friends. I'm not accepting Luke because, like, ew, no thank you. I do not want to accept a boy. I do, like, want to accept a boy, but, like, not him. Because I have a boyfriend and I'm not cheating with him. But yeah. Okay, sorry, that was weird. But yeah, just a reminder anyways. So, hey guys, welcome back. Just gotta be like fancy. Okay, wait, start again. Hello. Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, let's be serious. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I'm good, because if I'm good, you all should be great. And I'm my boyfriend, izzalukas. Izzalukas. It will be down below, maybe. Give him a shout out for this video because why not, as I am so kind and beautiful. Say hi back. You get a shout. Honestly, doesn't really care if he gets a shout out because, like, you know, he doesn't even care about me. Well, yeah, he does care about me. Like, he's really sweet, but, like, anyways, onto the video. Yeah, you got a shout out. Oh, that is surprising because, like, whenever I say you get a shout out, he normally is like, or okay. But this time he's like, yay, so that's surprising. Anyways, onto the video, but yeah. So today, what we are going to be doing, we are going to be looking at, like, pictures, like fake pictures, basically, if you understand me. We're going to be seeing them if they're, like, fake or not, basically, if you know what I mean. So, yeah. Oopsie. Okay, yeah. So we're going to be basically catfishing, I guess. Are we? Yeah, I think so. So, not fake. A lot of people do say this. So the first one is this one. This is actually Davina, aka Princess Games. So, yeah, is her name Davina? I'm not sure, but, like, yeah, she's Princess Games. And that. What a catfisher. And, like, why do people catfish? Just, if you want to send a picture of yourself, then send who you actually are. Like, you don't want to be someone else. Like, you know, you guys want to be someone else and, like, be popular or something, but you just have to be yourself. You don't have to be like me, not fake. Like, that is unacceptable. But yeah, see, like, fake. That's Princess Games, yeah. Are you Princess Games? Oh, hi, Princess Games. Not. Lol. I'm catfishing. Oh. Be right back. Okay, and I'm catfishing. Hee. He's so cute. Oh, I love him. Okay, so where were we? Okay, whatever. So we fake. So the second one is this one. You can tell this is Demi Lovato. Is it Demi Lovato? Yeah, I think it is Demi Lovato. Yeah, it is Demi Lovato. Wait, let me just see it. Is this Demi Lovato? Yeah. Okay, yeah, she's Demi Lovato. Yeah, so fake. Well, yeah, Demi Lovato is really nice and everything, but like I am not a fan of Demi Lovato. I don't know why. I'm just not a fan. You might all be, but not. Sorry if I don't reply. Sorry, babe, if I don't reply. I'm on hide. Well, I have many messages, and I think I'll have to reply to them after. And not right now because I'm in the middle of recording. Even though I do reply to Lucas because he's my babe. Yeah. So the other one is this one. This is fake. Like I saw this before. I saw this before. Yeah, so I don't know for your opinion, but I think that this is fake and it has 154 things. And I bet everybody is saying fake. Cause yeah, but you might guys think it's not fake. Oh yeah, and comment down below if you think any of these pictures that I'm showing you are not fake. Cause you have different options than me. So you might think that they are not fake. You might think they are fake. Just comment down below. And if you can't comment or subscribe something, just message me and like say sorry I can't subscribe, but like I'm still your fan. But yeah, I love you guys still. Stay hot. Oh. Okay, so the other one is this one. It's fake. Look. Fake. 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 Yeah. Wait. I don't. Fake. It's my option. Option. Yeah. So that's. So the other little picture is this one. It is fake. I don't know why I think it is fake. Like, you know, people, they're at a high level and they just want basically hate. Like this girl over here, she's really like level 18 and like she wants hate. Like, why would she do that? She knows that this is not her, is her, but I think it's not her. Like, why would she do that? She's just gonna get a lot of hate saying fake. So I don't know why she should do that, because some people do report people that are saying faking themselves. So I'd rather not fake myself, and if I want to send a picture of myself, then I would just send the real picture of how I look. So yeah. So she doesn't even know how to spell pretty. This is how she spell it. Pretty. This is how you spell it, girls. Boys. This is how you spell pretty. Not pretty. Pretty. Yeah, pretty. Oh wait. Oh. Pretty. Pretty. Okay, yeah. Say it again. Catfisher! Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So let's just reply to messages. It doesn't work. Okay, next. What's up? You got more VIP. Okay guys, so I think I'm going to be wrapping this video up right now, because I think it's enough. It's been 11 minutes. I think 11 minutes is enough. Yeah. So, yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to me if you like them and, like, you know, enjoy my videos. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Just don't forget that, please. Yeah, so I love you. Shout out to Lucas. Is that Lucas? Yeah. Bye.